Hello and welcome back. If you're joining live or watching the replay, I'm Betty Rose Pradhan, founder of BBITS. For the past 2 weeks, we've talked about why January matters, closing your books, reconciliations, expenses and income, financial reports, IRS notices, DIY versus professional bookkeeping, tax planning, bookkeeping cleanup. Today, we're bringing it all together because cleanup isn't the end of the process. It's the beginning of confidence. What changes after cleanup? Most business owners think cleanup is just about fixing mistakes. But what really actually changes is how you feel about your business. After cleanup, reports finally make sense, numbers feel believable, tax prep becomes calmer, decisions feel grounded, you stop guessing. You start trusting your data. That shift matters. Have you ever avoided making a decision because you didn't trust your numbers? Type me in the comments. Clean books equal better tax outcomes. Clean books directly impact taxes. When books are clean, income matches IRS records. Deductions are defensible. Errors are reduced. Extensions are strategic, not reactive. Tax prep becomes smoother because fewer questions are needed, fewer corrections are required. Returns are filed with confidence. Clean books don't guarantee a smaller tax bill, but they guarantee a correct one. Clean books equal better business decisions. This is where confidence really shows up. With clean books, you can understand your true profit, price your services properly, decide when to hire, plan for taxes intentionally, stop reacting, and start planning. You stop running your business on feelings and start running it on facts. Do your current numbers help you make decisions or create confusion? Type clear or confusion. Why confidence matters more than perfection. Perfect books aren't the goal. Reliable books are. Confidence doesn't come from knowing everything. It comes from knowing your numbers are accurate. When you trust your books, tax season feels manageable. IRS letters feel less scary. Growth feels intentional. Confidence changes how you show up as a business owner. What happens if cleanup is ignored? When cleanup is avoided, errors compound, stress increases, decisions get delayed, compliance risks grow. Avoidance feels easier short term, but it's expensive long term. Cleanup delayed is confidence delayed. At BBITS, cleanup is where clarity begins. We don't just fix the past. We help you move forward with structure, accuracy, and confidence. Clean books are not about judgment. They're about freedom. If your books feel heavy, confusing, or unreliable, you don't have to stay there. DM me confidence or book a discovery call using the link below. Clean books don't just prepare you for taxes, they change how you run your business. Thank you for being here. Monday, we will talk about what to do if you're still behind without panicking. Have an awesome weekend.